IS660A consists of 3 folding sections, 4 buccal planes on both the first and second folding section, and 2 buccal planes on the third folding section. The 10 buccal planes can be flexibly combined as required to carry out different folding patterns. Scouring, perforating, slitting function as required. Two in-feed mechanisms are available. The pie table as standard, and the rotary continuous feeder as optional. The steel PU folding rollers are non-skid and wheel-proof. Touchscreen visualizing all operating functions in a simple and clearly ranged way with multifunction display facilities, parameter setting, and troubleshooting. It's available with optional DZ430 folding knife unit to realize 32-page inward or outward fold.
Technical date.
Maximum sheet size 660 × 1040 mm. Minimum sheet size 150 × 200 mm.